Hello and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to use your airbrush machine for doing nails. The first thing you want to do is pour your acetone into the bowl of the airbrush. It's very important that you do the acetone before your gel polish because that can clog your airbrush. I used to hear so many artists be like, I hate using airbrush because it gets clogged up. Well, they probably were adding their polish first. You want to add the polish to the acetone. It's extremely important. So I usually do 3 dips of the color. That keeps it nice and pigmented. And you want to make sure you get all of the color off of that brush. So that's why you see me swirling it around here. When I first got my airbrush, I was so intimidated to use it just because of everything I'd heard before from previous nail artists. And I kept it in the box for literally like 2 months before I opened it. And it's so simple. You want to make sure you put the cap on there because it can spill and get messy. So make sure you put the cap back on there. It is of the utmost importance to protect your respiratory. When you're doing this, make sure you have the proper mask. I know it looks really heavy duty and extra, but that acetone can get in your lungs and irritate you. Also, make sure you have proper ventilation. When you start spraying, make sure that you're at a good distance. The further you are, the softer the color is going to be, and the closer you get, the more dense and opaque that color is going to be. So usually when I'm doing it, I start further away and then I gradually get closer to create that nice ombre effect. If you're using multiple colors, you want to clean the machine in between each color. I'm going to show you guys how to clean it in the end. I didn't show the finish nail. This is going to be for another set, but that's not really the focus. So now I'm going to show you how to clean it. I usually dump out anything that's in there first, and then I take some more acetone, just a little bit, put on the brush, and then I swirl it around in the bowl just to clean up the edges and anything like that before I spray to clean it. Dump that. Then you're going to add a little bit more of the acetone and spray until it's all clean. But wipe it out too. This is going to prevent your airbrush machine from clogging. I've used my airbrush machine multiple times and I've never had it to clog. So if you clean it right away and you use it properly, you're not going to have any issues. So you want to spray until you don't see any remaining pigment. And once everything is clear, then you know you're good to go. You can see it's just a little hint of purple. So I'm going to add a little bit more acetone and spray it until it's clear. Now I know some of you are thinking her nails look really pretty, and thank you for that. If you like this set, you can find it. These are press-ons made by me. You can find them on my website. This particular set is called Bella. I will put the direct link for that below. Just keep in mind, if you want press-ons from me, you do have to purchase a sizing kit first. And I usually send those out same day, if not within 1 to 2 business days, okay? But that's how you use your airbrush machine and clean it. Is very simple. And then once you're done cleaning it, make sure you put it on the charger. So when you're ready to use it, you're good to go. And then I like to go a step further and just clean the outside of the machine, just because I like it to look nice. I mean, that part is optional, but you know, I like things to be nice and clean. And that's pretty much it for this video. I will see you on the next one, and watch it to the end because there's always something special in the end of my videos. And I'll also link some more videos in the end. All right, bye.